Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Luxx Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. When it comes to pickleball performance, Selkirk continues to set the standard, and the Luxx Control Air Invikta stands out as one of the brand's most refined paddles to date. Designed for players who value precision and placement, this paddle excels at helping you control the ball and dictate every point with confidence. The Luxx Control Air Invikta features a mid-weight build that perfectly balances advanced technology with premium craftsmanship. Its slightly elongated 16.45-inch frame provides extra reach at the net and from the baseline, while the extended 5.35-inch handle offers ample space for comfortable two-handed backhands. This design makes it an excellent choice for both singles and doubles players looking for versatility and control. At the core of its performance is the Fluorite carbon fiber face paired with a thick 20mm honeycomb core. This combination delivers exceptional touch and accuracy without sacrificing the ability to generate power when needed. Soft dinks, precise resets, and controlled drives all feel intentional and consistent, giving you confidence in every shot. One of the most impressive aspects of this paddle is how effortlessly it moves through the air. Unlike lower-quality paddles that can feel sluggish or drag during fast exchanges, the Luxx Control Air Invikta swings smoothly and quickly, enhancing reaction time and hand speed at the net. From its sleek, modern design to its reliable shot placement and controlled power, this paddle truly does it all. While it may not have the extreme pop of some power-focused paddles, its overall performance more than makes up for it. With its current reduced price, the Selkirk Luxx Control Air Invikta is an outstanding value and a top choice for players seeking the best all-around pickleball paddle. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is the perfect wallet-friendly choice for players who are catching pickleball fever and want a reliable paddle without overspending. Designed with beginners and recreational players in mind, this paddle delivers impressive performance, comfort, and durability at an affordable price point. Built with a responsive honeycomb core and a smooth fiberglass face, the Radical Elite offers a large, forgiving hitting surface that makes clean contact easier and more consistent. This white face is especially helpful for newer players who are still developing their timing and technique. The fiberglass finish enhances touch and feel, giving you better control on dinks, volleys, and placement shots around the kitchen. While the Radical Elite isn't designed to be a power-heavy paddle, it excels where it matters most for learning the game, control and maneuverability. Its lightweight construction allows for quick reactions at the net and reduced arm fatigue during long play sessions. This makes it an excellent option for players who want to improve their accuracy and confidence before moving on to more power-focused paddles. Comfort is another strong point. The foam handle provides a cushioned, secure grip and features a length similar to a tennis racket, making it especially appealing to former tennis players transitioning into pickleball. Retailing around $70, the Head Radical Elite plays more like a $100 paddle, offering outstanding value for the money. It's a smart choice for beginners, a solid option for casual competitive play, and an easy, thoughtful gift for players of any skill level. Even experienced players will appreciate it as a dependable backup paddle. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. A $250 pickleball paddle is a serious investment, but for players who demand premium performance, the Selkirk Power Air Epic delivers at the highest level. Trusted by elite athletes on the PPA Tour, this paddle is built for aggressive, power-focused players who want every advantage on the court. The Power Air Epic features an elongated handle and a refined stand shape that creates a generous, confidence-inspiring sweet spot. The longer handle is ideal for two-handed backhands, offering added leverage and control without sacrificing reach. Selkirk's innovative air opening technology is a standout feature, allowing the paddle to move faster through the air for increased swing speed. The result is explosive serves, powerful drives, and extra whip behind every shot. Performance isn't just about power, it's also about feel. The Power Air Epic feels fast, lightweight, and incredibly responsive, delivering a premium sensation that sets it apart from standard paddles. The cushioned, Luxx handle provides excellent comfort, while the added wrapping near the base enhances grip security during intense rallies. Even under pressure, the paddle stays firmly in your hand. Another advantage is its forgiving design. With no harsh or pronounced edges, off-center hits still produce clean, predictable returns, giving you more consistency when rallies get fast and competitive. Designed for serious players, the Selkirk Power Air Epic showcases cutting-edge technology and a sleek, modern look that signals top-tier performance. If you're a competitive pickleball player seeking maximum power, speed, and professional-level craftsmanship, this paddle is truly epic. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. For players who watch professional pickleball, Onix paddles are a common sight on the courts of top athletes. Among their versatile lineup, the Onix Graphite Z5 stands out as a reliable, high-performance paddle that delivers exceptional control and consistent returns. Priced just under $100, it offers the best qualities of a graphite paddle at an unbeatable value. Crafted with a durable graphite face, the Z5 is lightweight yet strong, giving players precise control over each shot. Graphite is a favorite among pros because it combines strength with a responsive feel, making it easier to place the ball exactly where you want. Whether you're dinking at the net, driving baseline shots, or executing delicate placement plays, the Z5 provides confidence and consistency. The paddle features a Onix honeycomb core that limits dead spots, paired with a shape that offers surprisingly generous surface area. This design ensures clean contact on most shots and creates a powerful sweet spot, helping both beginners and experienced players achieve better results. In the hand, the Z5 feels well balanced, offering stability without compromising maneuverability. Performance shines on serves and spin shots, where the Z5 allows you to whip the ball over the net and add subtle spin for advanced play. Its loft and weight combine for a premium feel, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. For beginners, it's a long-lasting paddle that won't require an immediate upgrade, while recreational and competitive players will appreciate its consistency and performance. The Onix Graphite Z5 truly delivers pro-inspired quality at a remarkable price. Number 5. Joola Ben John's Perseus 3S. Experience tour-level performance with the Joola Ben John signature pickleball paddle, developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, the record-setting PPA Tour champion with 123 titles. Engineered for serious players, this paddle combines cutting-edge materials, advanced design, and smart technology to deliver unmatched precision and power on every shot. The paddle features a charged carbon surface that has been bond-treated for enhanced strength and stability. This treatment ensures a crisp, responsive feel on contact while maximizing energy return, giving your shots a noticeably poppier response. You'll feel every dink, drive, and drop with exceptional control, allowing you to place the ball exactly where you want. At the heart of this paddle is the patent-pending propulsion core, designed to provide explosive power across all shot types. From high-speed line drives to delicate dinks, the core ensures consistent performance, while the elongated paddle face delivers a large sweet spot, making spin generation effortless and reducing off-center mishits. A standout feature of the Joola Ben John signature paddle is its NFC chip technology. By connecting to the Joola Connect app, players can access personalized training videos, track their playing style, engage with the community, and enjoy a gamified pickleball experience. With its combination of precision, power, and smart connectivity, this paddle is ideal for competitive players seeking a professional-grade edge. Sleek, high-performance, and innovative, the Joola Ben John signature pickleball paddle is truly next-level equipment for those serious about elevating their game.